Mr. President, the Taliban authorities must also fulfill their international obligations on counter-terrorism. Terrorism emanating from Afghanistan remains the gravest threat to Pakistan's national security. Terrorist entities, including ISIL-K, Al-Qaeda, TTP, ETIM, BLA, and the Majid Brigade, operate from Afghan sanctuaries, with more than 60 such terrorist camps serving as hubs for enabling cross-border infiltration and attacks. We have credible evidence of collaboration among these terrorist groups through joint training, illicit weapons trade, refuge to terrorists, and coordinated attacks, all aimed at targeting civilian and law enforcement agencies and disrupting and sabotaging infrastructure and development projects in Pakistan. We also need to zoom in on the interlinkages playing out on the digital landscape. Their propaganda networks, nearly 70 social media accounts traced to Afghan IP addresses, must also be curbed, and that requires full support and cooperation from social media platform providers with the governments. Pakistan and China have jointly submitted to the 1267 Sanctions Committee a request to designate BLA and Majid Brigade. We hope the Council will act swiftly on this listing to curb their terrorist activities. The TTP, with nearly 6,000 fighters, remains the largest UN-designated terrorist group on Afghan soil. Pakistan has successfully thwarted multiple infiltration attempts of TTP and BLA terrorists from across Afghanistan, confiscating significant caches of sophisticated military-grade modern equipment left behind by international forces in Afghanistan. These efforts come at a heavy price, huge sacrifices by our valiant security forces and civilians. Just this month, 12 Pakistani soldiers were martyred in a single incident while defending the border areas. This situation is intolerable. UNAMA must strengthen efforts as mandated to prevent the illicit trade and destabilizing accumulation of small arms and light weapons and their diversion in Afghanistan and the region. Mr. President, the Taliban must also meet their other international obligations. The continued restrictions on women and girls are inconsistent with Islamic traditions and norms of Muslim society. Pakistan supports international engagement with Afghanistan, one that has clear objectives with reciprocal steps and a realistic roadmap guided by dialogue and diplomacy, for that is the only viable pathway to lasting peace in Afghanistan. Isolation and disengagement serves no one's interest. As immediate neighbors bound by geography, culture, and history, no country desires peace and stability in Afghanistan more than Pakistan. And no country has suffered from the consequences of decades of conflict in Afghanistan more than Pakistan. We therefore remain committed to supporting a peaceful, prosperous Afghanistan for the sake of our region and in the best interest of the world. I thank you.
I think the